Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install DB Browser SQLite, which is an application for data management for SQLite database. We everybody know that the Django is using SQLite database as a default database, but you may of course face some few questions like how do I manually add the data in SQLite database? How do I manually edit and delete the information in SQLite database? So in this tutorial we are going to cover how you can install and how you can edit the information of SQLite database. So make sure you have installed the DB Browser SQLite. This is an application. You can search on Google and download it. So I have already downloaded it. So what is going on is I'm going to double click it. Alright, so as I can install. So you can see DB Browser for SQLite. Setup wizard, click next. Then after check accept the terms. Okay. And then I can say I can check this. Okay, let me check this. All right, then I click next, install. Okay, this will take some time, okay, to make installation. All right, it's done. So let me finish. So what I can do, let me delete the setup because it is useless. Then after, this is DB Browser SQLite, okay, an application for data management of SQLite database, okay. So here, as you can see, this is how our application looks like after opening it. Okay, let me show you my one of the Django project which is using SQLite database. So this is one of my Django project using SQLite database. So let me copy the path. Okay, I copy the path so as I can open up this db.sqlite3. So I click on file, then I go on open database. Okay, so as I can open the database, then I pasted the path here. Okay, scroll down, then select db.sqlite. So you can see here we have already loaded the SQLite database for ML Django project. So this is how you can load your database on SQLite database. But how can you add the information in SQLite database by using DB browser for SQLite? So let me open up one of my model, which is students. You can see here I can click. You can see once I just press the cursor here, you can see insert new record. So once I click new, you can see the new row with ID 11 is added. So here I can add some new student, like the first name, let me say this is Noel, the last name be Moses, the email be motechapp@gmail.com. all right, then the course I can say this is computer science, the gender is male. Okay, after that I control S to save the changes. So this is how you can add the information in SQLite database. Okay, so how do you prove if you have successfully added the information in SQLite database? So let me open up my Visual Studio Code. This is my project here. Let me clear the screen. Okay, Python manage.py shell. Okay, I want to show you something. So from comment.models import students. So here I have imported the model student. So I can say S is equal to students dot objects dot all. This will select all the information from model student. What I want to show you here is I want to show you that Noel is successful added in the database. Okay, so here once I print S, you must see the name Noel. Okay, you can see Noel is successful added in database, but the first student is Moses. So let's cover how to delete information in SQLite browser for SQLite DB. So if you want to delete the information, you can just click here on ID. Then once you place the cursor here, you can see delete the current record. So once I delete this and I Control S to save the changes, okay, then let me try out to quell all information of students. Okay, you can see it starts with the student Faraji, with the first name Faraji. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can actually add the information on SQLite DB by using DB browser for SQLite, but we have covered how you can add, how you can delete. So let's cover how you can edit. So here instead of Falaji, let me say this is Abdul. Oh, let me say this is Muhammad. All right. Then after making amendment or after making the changes on SQLite DB, make sure you click Ctrl S to make sure you save the changes. So let me click Ctrl S to save the changes. Then after, let me try out to select all the information of students. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, as you can see that it is the changes are saved from Faraji. Here the first name was Faraji. Okay, was Faraji, but now Faraji is updated to Mohammed. So actually this is an end of our today's tutorial on how you can install DB browser for SQLite database, how you can manually add the information on DB browser, or how you can manually add information on SQLite database, how you can edit it, and how you can delete it. So thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, you can thumb up and put comment. But if you know the other way, okay, or the other means for manipulating the information of SQLite database, you can put comment, okay, because possible you have been using other method than this, but just share your experience, because this is like the coding community. I know this, you know this, I can't know everything. So that's it. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.